Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Um, so today we are going to discuss about conversations and dialogues. Okay. And today we will discuss about expressions for giving compliments. Okay. There are such common expressions like expressions for giving compliments, expressions for sorrowness, expressions for happiness, right? There are some other expressions also which we commonly use in our daily life, and today we will discuss about expressions for giving compliments. Okay. So what is a compliment? Tell me. Okay.
Appreciation for doing something.
Right, right, appreciation, right. So compliment is an expression of appreciation. Okay, it may be an expression of admiration. Okay, it may be an expression of approval. Okay, so compliment is a good thing, right? And when do we use compliment? Suppose we like something, maybe we like the quality of someone, right? So we may appreciate. Suppose someone is having a great personality, okay, so we can compliment. And there are some other situations also when we can compliment, and we will discuss in detail about that. So what is a compliment? Compliment is an expression of appreciation, admiration, approval. Okay, and how can compliment help us? Compliments help us to start the conversation, right? How? Here you can see here, giving a compliment is a straightforward, easy way to start conversation. Suppose you want to start a conversation with someone. Okay, so you can start with a compliment. It will it will be easier for you to start the conversation while you compliment that person. Okay. And what are the keys to giving compliment? See, be specific, use appropriate tone, and don't overdo it. Okay, how can you be specific while giving compliment? Let me give you an example. Yes, here you can see here example written, great job on the presentation, I appreciated how you explained the current challenges. Okay, if you only say that great job on the presentation, great job on the presentation, so okay, it's also a compliment, right? But be more specific. That here I have written, you can see here, I appreciated how you explained the current challenges. So why do I appreciate that person? Because he explained the current challenges very well on the presentation, right? So that's why I appreciate that person. So here you have to be more specific why you are complimenting. You have to tell the reason also. So that's why be specific. If I say great job on the presentation, it's fine, but why? What he had done in the what he had done on the presentation, so that I appreciate that person. So you have to tell the reason also. I appreciated how you explained current challenges. Okay, so be specific. And how can you will be able to be specific? Here is the example. use appropriate tone. Yes. So use appropriate tone. You have to, while complimenting someone, you have to be full of enthusiasm. Suppose you are going to congratulate someone, right? So you have to use appropriate tone that you are happy, right? So you can say, congratulations, I'm so happy for you, right? So that means, yes, you are feeling happy for that person. There should be, you should use happy tone. So your voice should be full of enthusiasm while complimenting someone. So that's why it is written here, use appropriate tone. Okay. And makes you that you have a smile on your face, and your tone should be full of enthusiasm. Okay. And don't overdo it. What is meant by don't overdo it? Actually, compliment is a good thing, right? It will help you to start a conversation. It will make the person, feeling good, right? um, and so compliment is a good thing. But if the compliment is unexpected, okay, if the compliment is unwelcomed, then if you just use the compliments, 2 3 4 5, just you are continuing, with your compliments, then it may be unwelcomed or unexpected. So giving too many compliments can make you sound insincere. Okay, so just use one or two compliments, and if the person you are complimenting accepts your compliments, then you can continue one more or two. But giving too many compliments can make you sound insincere. Okay. And compliment is a very common thing, but actually, there are some ways how to do it right, in the right way, and we will discuss in detail in our today's class. Okay. So there are some topics also for giving compliments. And what are the topics? You can see here: performance, we can compliment on some excellent performance of someone's achievements. For skills, suppose someone is having a great skill, right? So we can compliment them, those who have great skills. Abilities, appearance, personality, style, personal taste in possessions. So these are the topics for giving compliments. Okay, here are some examples. So just let's go through these examples. It will help you to understand better, right? I loved your performance in the college. You are very talented. Here you can see performance. The common topics for giving compliments here: performance. So here one person has performed very well in the college, and that's why I congratulate, right? I loved your performance in the college. You are very talented. And then I read your essay. It was so well written. That means ability, right? Skills or ability. Ability to write an essay very well, or skill of writing skill. So here, that's such a pretty scarf. You have a great taste. So here, personal taste in possessions. You are such a hard-working person. I really admire you. Here, skill. Okay, hard-working skill or ability. You are always so happy. It always cheers me up. It is also ability, right? Ability of being happy all the time. You always used to remain calm in the meeting. What's your secret? You are such an adorable person. I admire you. Personality. You are so friendly. I love to talk to you. Here also personality. So here are some examples. And while giving compliment, I have told it already that it's a great way to start a conversation. Suppose at your workplace or colleges, or office, wherever maybe, you want to start a conversation, with your colleagues or friends. So you can start by complimenting. It will make that person feel good, and it will help you to start the conversation easily. And compliment is a good thing. Okay. Common phrases used to give compliments. Okay, this is related to skill. Suppose someone is having a great skill. Okay, so how can you congratulate him or her? You can say here, you really did a great job on that presentation. You really did an amazing job on that project. You really did a fantastic job on that assignment. You really did an awesome job on the test. So here are some word you can use while compliment. Yes, example is also written. You can see, you did an excellent job on that presentation. I now understand the research goals of the project. There are some other phrases also. See, you have great, then you can use some characteristics like memory, attitude, outlook, sense of humor, work ethic. Okay, so you have great attitude, you have a great attitude, you have such a great sense of humor, you have a great work ethic. So you can compliment in this way. Then giving congratulations. Okay, while congratulating someone, so we can use some common phrases, right? Here are the phrases you can see here. Congratulations, we often use congratulations, right? But besides congratulations, we can use some other phrases also. See here, congrats, congratulations on your maybe promotion. Okay, or okay, maybe birthday. Okay, so congratulations on your birthday. It's fantastic. Congratulations. I'm proud of you. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. You should be proud of yourself. congratulations, you have earned it. So you can use these phrases while congratulating someone. While giving compliment, you are going to compliment some person, so what will happen, it will increase your confidence also, and it will make that person feel good also. So giving compliment is a good thing, always try to compliment if possible. Okay, what happens after giving compliment? See here, if you make an effort to give someone a compliment, you have done something good, I have told you, and you have tried to brighten someone's day, which is very kind thing to do, right? It will make that person you are complimenting, feel good. You have tried to brighten someone's day. He or she will feel good, right? And this is a very kind thing to do. It will increase your confidence also, and after giving compliment, the other person will probably accept your compliment and keep the conversation going. So it's a great way to start a conversation. Okay, you can see here a sample conversation on congratulating for promotion. Okay, let me see what there. Okay, so Muskan is there, right? Muskan Kumari is there from CSC, and Nutan is also there. Muskan and Nutan. Okay, okay, Muskan and Nutan, do one thing. Suppose Muskan is Tom, okay, and another one, Muskan and Nutan, and Nutan is Lucy, suppose. Okay, so just at first read the conversation. Muskan will read the conversation of Tom, the speeches of Tom, the speeches of Tom, and Nutan will read all the speeches of Lucy. Muskan and Nutan, are you ready? Okay, so let's read. After that, we will discuss also. We will do practice on some other topic. And I will indulge
Okay, ma'am.
two
I will
friends.
start.
Muskan and Nutan, are you there?
Ma'am, can I start? Yes. Ma'am, can I start?
Yes. Start. Let's start.
I got really a good news today.
What's the news?
I got promotion today.
Congratulations! I am so glad for you. So you will start your job this coming Monday.
No, I need to finish my current job project. I will probably start my new job a week from Monday.
You have a lot of experience with this company. This will help you to cope with all responsibilities.
I know. However, I have never supervised people before.
You are a natural leader. You will do well.
Thanks for the note of confidence.
Welcome.
Okay. Thank you, Muskan and Nutan. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, you have heard about the conversation on congratulating for promotion. Okay. So, here is a sample conversation, and now we are going to do one thing. Who are there? Let me see. Vineet is there. Sandeep is also there. Okay. Okay. Vineet and Sandeep, do one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose Sandeep has achieved yes, Sandeep has done very excellent performance in the exam. Okay, he has secured very good marks, and Vineet is going to congratulate Sandeep. So let's start a conversation between both of you, Sandeep and Vineet. Sandeep has performed very well in the examination. Okay, and Vineet is going to congratulate Sandeep.
Congratulations, bro, for the good marks in examination. I am so glad.
Thanks, bro.
I hope I hope you will do well in future in other exam.
I hope too for you.
Okay,
So how was your
actually listen. At first, take your time. Okay, gather your thought. I'm giving you 2 or 3 minutes. Then we will start. Actually, it's not. You have to run a conversation right smoothly. You have to run a conversation smoothly. So it's not that after congratulating Sandeep, the conversation should be stopped. It's not like that. So you have to run the conversation smoothly, right? So at first, gather your thoughts. You can ask you how. What about the preparation of Sandeep? Uh, how can he achieved such a great success? How it's possible. How can one get such good marks, so you can ask all of this, and only hard working is sufficient or not, what about the performance of Sandeep? So you have to ask all these things. Just you have to run a conversation very smoothly and naturally, so just gather your thoughts, take your time. 2 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes we will start. Sandeep and Vineet.
Congratulations for your good marks in exam.
Thank you, bro. You too scored well.
Congrats and best wishes for your next examination.
I hope you will do better in your next exam.
Ask something. This is a conversation between two friends, like, so there are so many topics to discuss. Obviously, relating to the performance. Vineet, ask something. Sandeep has
How will
achieved
you
a great
prepare for
success.
examination?
Huh?
I prepared very hard. It takes a lot of dedication, hard work, and
So what's your
discipline.
daily routine in the preparation days?
I studied a lot, like 6 hours a day, and that's all. And
Is it is necessary
maintain
to
discipline.
read 6 hours daily to got good marks in examination?
Depends upon one to another, because some are very talented, so they don't. I don't think that they should study more.
If I am backbenchers, then how will how can I prepare for examination for, and I want to do something good in examination. So what will I do?
First of all, you have to quit all the bad habits you have and concentrate in your studies.
Which bad habits? Like some examples.
I don't want to say in front of all colleagues.
No, I haven't any problem. You can make proceeds.
I'm sorry, my friend, but you have to quit all bad habits and really
For
concentrate.
good marks in
on you.
examination, you have lot of experience.
No, I don't think so. I have a lot of experience, but I did. That's it.
Thanks for this conversation.
Oh,
Just come to my home. I'll definitely give you a party. Not big, but yes.
Okay, ma'am, over.
okay. Vineet and Sandeep both are good. Okay. Now,
I'm trying so far.
yes, now both are good.
Next time
Good
we will
enough.
try our best, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, now Nilesh is there, Pankaj is also there. Okay, so Nilesh and Pankaj, let's start a conversation. The topic is uh, Pankaj is going to congratulate Nilesh for his birthday. So the topic is very common, right? And after congratulating Nilesh, you have to run the conversation also. So ask some common things. Okay, just it's a conversation between two friends, so not formal, no formal conversation. Okay, Nilesh and Pankaj, take your time, gather your thoughts. Just 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then let's start. Pankaj is going to congratulate Nilesh for his birthday.
Sorry, ma'am, I am not in our home.
What, Nilesh? You are not in?
I'm outside in home at a time.
Okay, so what's the problem? You can take, uh, you can participate. You were
No,
attending
ma'am.
the class.
Next time I participate, ma'am.
Okay, then Manjeet is there, right? Manjeet Mrinal. Manjeet and Nilesh. Oh, Nilesh is not. Pankaj and Manjeet. Let's start. The topic is very common, birthday. Say. Okay, Kumar Akash and Kumar Ronak. Both are there, right? Akash and Ronak. Am I audible? Akash and Ronak, both. Are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Akash and Ronak,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, both are there, right? So suppose Ronak is going to congratulate Akash for his birthday. Okay. Ronak is going to congratulate Akash for his birthday, and so you have to just start the conversation and you have to just run the conversation very smoothly. It's just an
Can
informal.
we get 2 minutes to gather thoughts?
Okay, okay, okay.